Yeah, I'm just sharing my screen. Is everybody understand this personalized list and the list layout? Any queries? Yeah, Victoria, have you understand? So if we add columns to by using list layout, what happens? If we add columns to list by using personalized list, what happens?
So you said if we use the personalized list to create columns, so everyone that signed on to Ashok IT will see the columns, right?
So if we are using personalized list to add
Mhm.
columns to list view, okay, it can be
List view.
applicable to only you. It can be applicable to only you. Okay.
So
If
so are
if
you saying that okay, no one else can see?
yeah, those columns no one else see. Okay. If we are adding columns to list by using the list layout, those columns in the list everybody can see.
Okay. Okay, so
Team,
and the list layout, you right clicked on number and that took you to the layout, right?
yes, yes. You can right
Okay.
click on any column, not only
Anyone,
number.
any of the columns. Okay.
Any queries, team? Srinivas, Satya, no?
No, we don't have it, guys.
Okay, then we are good. So for example, now I'm going to the incident table for some time. Okay. Incident. I'm going to incident R. If you observe here, do we have any duplicate values? You can maybe do the group by number. So we have almost 82 instances we are having. I'm just making group by number. So even if we are group by number, it is showing 82 records. That means there is no duplicate instant number here. There is no duplicate instant number here. So like this in Ashok IT table also. Like this in Ashok IT table also. Okay, there is no duplicate numbers. There is no duplicate numbers. If I'm trying to update as a duplicate numbers, for time being, I'm just updating this read-only property to false. I just want to explain something here. I'm removing read-only. I'm updating. I'm removing read-only and I'm updating. Okay. Yes. Now we can come and refresh here. And now I'm just copying this number and I'm pasting here. It is allowing duplicate or not? This Ashok IT allowing duplicate or not? This auto generator number field. Yes, it is allowing duplicate numbers. Right? Now, I don't want to allow duplicate numbers here. I don't want to allow duplicate numbers here. Okay. I'm just making this number as asterisk 70. Okay. I'm just making this number asterisk. Now, in the number field, I don't want duplicate values. I don't want to allow any duplicate values here. Okay. So we have one property for that. Okay. We have one property for that. You can come configure. Wait. Sorry. You can go to the number field, configuration dictionary. You can go to the number field, you can do the configuration dictionary. Then in the dictionary form, in the sys underscore dictionary form, in the sys underscore dictionary form, I'm bringing one columns to form. I'm bringing one columns to form. configure form layout. I'm going to configure form layout. So we have field called unique queue.
115 happen.
Unique queue. Yes, I'm bringing this unique queue to selected slash. Okay. I'm just
Welcome to McDonald's.
I'm just saying. To the configuration dictionary form, I just added this unique queue field to the form. Okay, from the selected search bucket.
7686.
Yes.
Perfect. And what can I get for you?
Can I get a Happy Meal with chicken nuggets?
So you can, I just added this unique queue field. Okay. Now for number field, I'm making unique queue true. For number field, I'm making unique queue true. I'm just updating. For number field, I'm just making unique queue true and I just updated. Now I'm trying to update as a duplicate number. You can see. Is it allowing? Is it allowing duplicate numbers now after making unique
No.
queue true? No, it is not allowing. You can see. So even maybe I'm copying this number. I'm trying to create a new record with this duplicate number. It will strictly not allow. Will strictly not allow because we made unique queue true. You can see unique key violation detected by database. Duplicate entry, invalid insert. Record is not inserted because in the number field we are sending a duplicate value. This value already exists in this field to the other record. Got it? This option, everybody, this unique option. I hope everybody.
Yes.
Okay. Again, I'm going to number field. I'm going to configuration dictionary. Again, I'm making read only true. Earlier we have removed, right? Again, for explaining the duplicate value only, I have removed read only earlier. Okay. Again, I'm keeping read only true. Yeah. Next option. Next. For example, I'm going to the incident table. For example, I'm going to the incident table. Okay. Maybe I'm going to create new. Under incident application, create new. Is it Satya, right? Yesterday in WhatsApp asked you something. Is it Satya, Satish?
Yeah, it's me, Satya.
Okay. Have you found that incident all? So you can say under incident application, we have all. Okay.
Okay.
So maybe you search for this incident -all. So this I have bookmarked. Okay. This I have bookmarked. You can see the star icon. Beside create new, beside all. Okay, that's what it is showing like this. Basically, it is in favorites. You can see. If we go to the favorites, I have bookmarked like this. Then like this, it is showing. This is application. This is module. Application module. Okay. Within the incident form, I'm going to create a new field. I'm going to configure form layout. I'm going to configure form layout on the incident form. Okay. I just want to add one reference field, that is Ashok IT. I'm keeping here Ashok IT. So reference I'm taking. Okay. A reference table, what table you have to take as reference here? U underscore Ashok IT. Okay, U underscore Ashok IT. And just to save, add. I'm just adding this field. Maybe you can add this field to below to the assign to. Save it. Close. Yes. Below to assign to, I have added one field called Ashok IT, and I'm referring to the Ashok IT table. Okay, you can come and you can select one record here. Maybe I'm selecting this record. What happening here? Tell me. If I select Ashok IT record, what happening? Like within this reference field, it is showing name. It is showing name, right? That Ashok IT record name, it is showing, right?
Yes.
No. Now, I don't want to display that record names here. I want to display record number. For example, auto generator number I want to display here. I don't want to display names. Okay, you can come to the Ashok IT table. You can come to the Ashok IT table. So you can open any existing record, that is fine. In number field, I'm right clicking on the configuration dictionary. In number field, I'm right clicking on the configuration dictionary. Wait, it's loading. You just make, for this number field, you just make display true. You just make display true and you can update. Okay. For number field, I make display true. Display true. That means wherever you are using this Ashok IT table as a reference table, it will show the number field in that reference field. Okay. Now again, I'm going to the instant form. I'm just refreshing this form. Now you can try to select any record. Maybe I'm selecting NG record. You can see. Now it is showing number. Got it? You got it about display true. I just made display true for number field in the Ashok IT table. Now, wherever we are using Ashok IT table as a reference, it is showing number field. Victoria, are you got it? Srinivas, Tammi, Aziz, Jaya, Lakshmi Sai. Is everybody got? Usha.
Yeah, I understand this one.
Oh,
Yes.
Yeah, I have one doubt.
okay.
If you put display fields for multiple fields, which field will come? Here number field will come, right?
Wait. Now we put display true for this number field, right? Okay. Wait. Now I'm making display true for this gender field. Okay, display true for this gender field. I'm just going to the configuration dictionary. I will make display true. So whenever we are making display true for this gender field, that display true for number field will be gone. Okay. We can make display true only for one field in a table. Got it, Subramanya?
Yes, sir, got it.
If I make display true for this gender field, okay, in that reference field, it will show male, Mr. I think this is gender, right? Yeah. Here it will show male, female. Those values you are able to see here. And we made display true for number field, right? That will be gone. Okay. I don't want to keep display true again here. Here, if you have any queries, let me know. If you have any queries here, please let me know. Next, I'm navigating to, my explanation is completed, right? I'm just removing Ashok IT field from here. Okay, I'm just going to the form layout on instant form. I will just remove the Ashok IT. I just remove the Ashok IT field. Save. I'm closing this instant form. I'm going to the Ashok IT form again. Here, I just want to explain dot walking mechanism. So we have concept called dot walking. So if we are using dot walking, if it is a client-side programming, we can dot walk into only one time. Okay. If we are using server-side programming, we can dot walk into we can do the multi dot walking. Okay. Yeah. For client-side dot walking, it will allow only single dot working. For server side dot working, it will allow multi dot working. Okay. So like basically this dot working mechanism you are able to see clearly in the scripting part. Okay. So for example, we have Ashok IT table. For example, we have Ashok IT table. Ashok IT dot, this manager is referencing to the user table. Ashok IT dot manager. Here it is accepting only one dot working. If it is a client side programming. If it is a server side programming, Ashok IT dot manager dot. Again, here we have another field, location dot, country dot. Like we can dot working, many dot working we can do the server side programming. Here you can see. I will try to display few fields by using dot working. Okay. I'm just going to the configure form layout. First of all, I will remove all the fields. First of all, I will remove all the fields. I don't want number, title, name, even begin stage. Even I don't want gender. I want only manager field here. Okay. So as of now, I'm just keeping manager field in the Ashok IT tab. As of now, I'm keeping only manager field in the Ashok IT form. Now I'm going to dot working to this manager field. We can do the dot working only for reference fields. Okay, we can do dot working only for reference fields. I will note that also. We can do dot working only for reference fields. Okay, we can do dot working only for reference fields. I'm just saying. Now, based upon the manager value we selected, for example, I'm selecting Abil Tutor. I want to display Abil Tutor's email ID, Abil Tutor's location, Abil Tutor's manager values within this Ashok IT form indirectly. Again, I'm going to configure form layout, leave. So if you observe in available slash packet, if you observe for only manager field, it is in green color with plus icon. Why? Because it is a reference field. For reference fields, it will show something like in green color with plus icon. If any field in the available slash bucket in green color with plus icon, we can able to dot working that particular field. So now I selected on that manager reference field. When we select that reference field, here we are getting hierarchy symbol. Here we are getting some hierarchy symbol. You can see here we are getting some hierarchy symbol. Whenever we are clicking on this hierarchy symbol, it will go to this manager reference table fields. Yes, now I'm clicking on. Now I'm clicking on manager, that hierarchy symbol for manager. So manager, for manager field, we are referring to the user table. For manager field, we are referring to the user table. Yes, now it is displaying all user table fields. I will bring that Abil Tutor's first name, last name, email. Okay, only 3 fields are fine. You can see manager dot email, manager dot first name. Wait, next manager dot last name. Okay, only these 3 fields are fine as of now. If you want to add few more, yes, you can. You can see manager dot email, manager dot first name, manager dot last name. So here we are dot working. Okay, so single dot working I have used. I'm just saving it. You can see email, first name, last name. So here I'm selecting Abil Tutor, for example. You can see this Abil Tutor details is automatically populating here. If I am selecting Abraham Lincoln here, for example, Abraham Lincoln. So it is populating Abraham Lincoln details. Okay. By using dot working, we are displaying this email, first name, last name here. Okay. So these columns are from user table. Maybe you can right click on any one field, email field. You can click on show email. You can see table is Ashoka IT, field is manager. It is showing manager field. That means we are dot walking from the manager field. Okay. So these fields actually from the user table. These fields actually from the user table. Why? Because this manager table is referring to the user table. This manager table is referring to the user table. Okay. So indirectly we are displaying email, first name, last name fields from the user table to Ashoka IT table by using dot walking mechanism. Got it, everybody? Any queries here? Yeah, Victoria, do you have any queries? Saidulu, Mahinder, Lata. Okay, fine. Yes, Victoria.
Not right now. I would
Okay. Yeah.
maybe after I watch it again, if I have any
Okay.
question. Let's see.
Okay. Again, I'm going to configure form layout. I'm just removing this start walking fields. Okay. We don't want. So what I did, so I just click on that reference field. I went to this hierarchy symbol and I have added field. For example, I'm adding company like this, manager dot company. Okay, like this, I have added this start walking fields. So now I'm just removing this dot walking fields and I'm saving it. Okay, this is about dot walking. So if you have any queries from today's class, you can ask me. Maybe I'm stopping class here for today. And tomorrow I will explain about form sections, form use, reference qualifier, dictionary override. Okay, these are the few pending concepts as of now from the tables. We'll discuss about these in tomorrow's session. Even I have to display parent and child table relationships. So you have seen, right? Instance table is extending from task table. Problem table is extending from task table. Change table is extending from the task table. So how to make these relationships, like extending one table to another table, we'll see in tomorrow class. Okay. Yes. So in today class, if you have any queries, please let me know. Even from previous classes. Today I feel we have very less attendance. I think 3 members are absent for today class. I don't know the reason. Yeah, team. So please try to avoid absenting for the classes. You know that the timings are 6 a.m. to 7:20 a.m. IST. Okay. You can plan if you have something you can plan other than this timings. Okay. Like if you are missing one day class, next day class you will not understand. Okay. So if you have any emergency or any health issues, then only you can take leave. And coming to the next class, you can watch the recorded video at least. Then only you will understand the next class. Yes, tell me. Tell me your queries. Satya, are you good? Are you good with your queries?
No, I'm good for today.
Oh,
I'll rematch this.
okay. Yes, Victoria, you have queries.
So for yes, for yesterday, creating columns in URL, creating tables incidents from URL. It was a little fast, so I didn't know what to copy and paste in the URL to create columns, to create
No,
incidents and everything.
for creating columns, we are not modifying anything in the URL for creating columns. I'm saying we just verifying whether we are creating columns in correct table or not. We just need to verify whether we are creating columns in correct table or not. Okay. Nothing I modify for creating a columns in the URL. Okay.
Yeah, I thought you copied and maybe
No,
like pasted some.
I just shown you the table name in the URL. Okay.
Okay.
I haven't copied for creating a new record. So here the
Yes.
SysID is some 32-bit hexadecimal number, right? For creating a new record, you don't require to go to the Ashoka IT opening new button. You just
Okay.
you can select that SysID. You can remove that SysID and you can just make -1. Okay, -1. You can enter. It will open a new Ashoka IT form. Got it?
Yes, but you actually what's it called? Selected what numbers did you? Is it the system ID
SysID.
number that
Yeah,
sys
yeah.
ID number?
I just removed that 32-bit hexadecimal number, that is SysID. And I just made -1. SysID is -1. Whenever the SysID is -1 in the URL, it will open
It's
a
a
new
new
form. New form.
yeah.
Okay. Generally, in real time, we will use like this instead of navigating. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Any other queries?
Mm, that's about it. It's just
Okay.
the URL that I had issues with.
Okay.
Like
Yeah, Yusha, you have any queries? Jaya, Lata, Mahender.
No, Jittil on that.
I hope I'm considering everybody is practicing without fail. Okay. So please practice, practice, practice. Maybe for tomorrow, I will give you some homework kind. One example I will give. One homework task I will give for tomorrow. Okay. Yeah, then if you don't have any queries, then we are good to close this class. We will connect tomorrow with the same timing, same meeting ID. Okay. Again, tables concept. Okay, thank you so much, team. So if you have any queries, please don't hesitate to ask me in the WhatsApp at least. Okay. In my available time, so I will respond to that. Thank you so much.